Good morning, my dear parents. Thank you for supporting the online classes. Thank you. Good morning, kids. You all fine? I hope you all fine at home. Let's know about today. Come. What day today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Date is 19. Month is March. Let's recall the last week topic. Topic is action words. Crawling, crawling, crawling. Walking, walking, walking. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Singing, singing, singing. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Speaking, speaking, speaking. Listening, listening, listening. Catching, catching, catching. Running, running, running. Digging, digging, digging. Reading, reading, reading. Coloring, coloring, coloring. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Writing, writing, writing. Painting, painting, painting. Brushing, brushing, brushing. Bathing, bathing, bathing. Combing, combing, combing. Mopping, mopping, mopping. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Polishing, polishing, polishing. Skating, skating, skating. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Riding, riding, riding. Yarning, yarning. Knitting, knitting, knitting. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Touching, touching, touching. Eating, eating, eating. Sharing, sharing, sharing. Biting, biting, biting. Today's new topic is indoor and outdoor games. First of all, let's see about indoor games. What game is it? It is Ludo. Ludo, Ludo. It's an indoor game. It is a board game. It can be played by 2 or 4 players. This game prepare our mind to be setting goal and patience. The pieces used in this are called pawns. What game is it? It is snakes and ladders. It is an indoor board game. This game will improve the kids' counting skill. We have to play this game according to die rules from the start to finish. It can be played by 2 or more. What game is it? It is chess. Chess is a board game. It can be played by 2 or 4 players. It is made up of 64 squares, 8 squares on each row. It has 8 pawns, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, 1 queen and 1 king. The color of pieces are black and white. It is a national hobby in India. What game is it? It is carom. Carom is a tabletop game. It can be played by 2 or 4 players. The time it takes to play a game changes with each game. There are 3 color carom coin used: white, black and red. What game is it? It is tennis. It is an outdoor game. It can be played by 2 players or 2 teams. A player must score 4 points to win a game. Racket and tennis ball are used for this game. The goal of tennis is to hit the ball over the net into the other player's court. What game is it? It is cricket. It is the most popular outdoor game in the world. It is played by using bat and ball between 2 teams of 11 members each. Every team has batsmen, bowlers and fielders. It requires bats, balls and stumps. This game is controlled by 3 umpires. What game is it? It is football. It is an outdoor game. It is played between 2 teams and each team has 11 players. 2 goalkeepers stand in front of the goal post. The game of football improves physical and mental strength. What game is it? It is Kho-Kho. It is a fun outdoor game. It is played by at least 10 players. It is played between 2 poles. It helps in better coordination and flexibility. Here we have some pictures of indoor-outdoor games. We are going to segregate it under these headings: indoor games, outdoor games. What game is it? It is snakes and ladders. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is indoor games. Next, what game is it? It is tennis. It is indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Next, what game is it? It is Kho-Kho. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Next, what game is it? It is cricket. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Next, what game is it? It is Ludo. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is indoor game. What game is it? It is chess. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, it is indoor game. What game is it? It is carom. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Yes, right, it is indoor game. What game is it? It is football. Is it indoor or outdoor game? Right, it is outdoor games. Indoor games: snakes and ladders, Ludo, 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 chess, chess, carom, carom. Outdoor games. Tennis, tennis. Coco, coco. Cricket, cricket. Football, football. It's time to end up. Whatever we learn, practice at home. Thank you.